Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the NLP. What is NLP? Actually, NLP stands for Natural Language Processing, and it is a subfield of artificial intelligence. And it has the ability to machine understand and process human languages. It can be text or audio format, and what it is means it has the ability to understand the process of uh, whatever we are speaking, and the audio and the text and audio format. Human language, it can able to understand the NLP. And the main applications are voice assistants, for example Alexa, Siri. We are using it. Hi Alexa, hi Siri. Uh, those are the voice assistants. In that applications we are using the NLP. And text correction, we have the Grammarly and Microsoft Word. And chatbot QA, some of the website we saw in the down, for question and answering. And language translations, we have the Google Translate. And the text summarization, if we want to summarize the long text, that is also able to perform by using this NLP. And sentiment analysis, in the Flipkart or Amazon, or in the restaurant reviews. How it is good or bad or normal. uh, that sentiment analysis also we can perform by using this NLP. Okay, and the overall is it is able to ability to machine understand the process of the human language, it can be text or audio format. Okay, these are the applications. And there are many other applications, in the mail, or in the mail, for example, we are writing some mail. uh, the extension is next word, it will be predicted that, it will show it. Those are the some of the application, this is the what it is, NLP. uh, Thank you.